In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time for multiple projects in Hubstaff. If you're juggling several tasks across different projects, it's crucial to maintain an accurate record of how much time you're dedicating to each. Hubstaff is a powerful tool that helps you do just that, even though it only allows one timer to run at any given moment. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can ensure you're logging your time efficiently and effectively. First, you'll want to open the Hubstaff desktop app. Whether you're on a Mac or a PC, navigating to the app should be straightforward. Once you've got the app open and in front of you, you'll see the different options and features that Hubstaff offers. At this point, you need to select the organization you want to work in. This organization is where the project you'll be working on is housed. It's important to choose the correct organization to ensure that your time is tracked in the right place. Now, focus on selecting the specific project you're working on. If your organization has a lot of different projects going on, take a moment to find the correct one in the list. Some projects might even require you to select a specific task within the project, so be alert to those details as well. Once you've selected the right project and task, if necessary, you're ready to start tracking time. Simply click the Start button to begin the timer. This moment marks the start of your work session, so be sure you're set to dig into your task when you hit Start. As long as the timer is running, Hubstaff is keeping track of the time you're spending on that specific project. Inevitably, as you navigate your workday, you'll need to switch from one project to another. When it's time to make that switch, the first thing you need to do is click Stop to end the current timer. Once the timer for the first project is paused, it's safe to proceed to your next task. Now, select the project you're shifting your focus to, along with any specific task under that project if needed. With your new project selected, go ahead and click Start again to begin tracking time for this new endeavor. This seamless process ensures that your work on the first project is logged and your time on the second one is captured accurately from the moment you switch tasks. Remember, repeating these steps each time you move between different projects will help keep your time tracking clear and organized. It might sound repetitive, but it's key to maintaining transparency in how you allocate your time. By following this method, you'll have a comprehensive overview of where your efforts are going throughout the day. Keep practicing these steps until they become second nature, and you'll find managing your projects through Hubstaff to be a simple and effective task.